Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing DIY lotus brass diya for festive occasions and pujas with just $5. These lotus spoon brass diyas or candle holders are strong enough and easy to make, and they give very elegant and traditional look to any festive occasion and pujas, mainly during Navratri and Diwali decorations. So let's get into the video and see how to make these beautiful diyas. To start with, I got this PVC pipe from Home Depot. This is 18 foot in length. So I'm going to cut this with a pipe cutter. Here I'm using the tape and measuring 20 centimeters. Now I'll mark here and I'm going to cut this with the PVC cutter. The best part of Home Depot is they themselves cut and give, but I don't know how much length and how much pipe I'm going to use, so I got the pipe as it is without cutting. So here after coming home I'm going to cut this how much ever I wish. But if you think you cannot cut this, Home Depot employees will help you cutting this, so you don't have to worry. I'm using two PVC pipes of the same length, each of 20 centimeters in length, and I'm going to make two diya stands. Here I have this disposable plastic spoons. I got this from Walmart and we can also get from dollar store. Here I'm going to break this using a napkin. Here I'm holding the spoon with the napkin and I'm breaking this. Likewise, I broke all the spoons and each box contains 48 spoons, so I used 2 boxes of spoons, as each diya stand requires 1 box of spoons. Here I have these circular cardboard pieces and I'm going to use 2 cardboard pieces for each diya, just to make sure that the base of the lotus is very strong enough to hold the spoons and the candle. Here after sticking both the cardboard pieces, here you can notice the edges of the circle is not even, so I'm going to cover this with the tissue paper, and each tissue paper has 2 layers, so I'm separating each layer and fold in half and cut into 2 pieces. Here after cutting, I am taking each strip and I am going to stick around the circle. For this, I mix this glue with a few drops of water and I am applying the glue initially and then stick the paper and then apply the water mixed glue on the top of the paper also, so that it will be stick firmly to this cardboard. Here you can see edges of the circle is sealed properly. Now allow this to dry, and once it is dry, now I am going to stick the spoons on this. Using hot glue gun, I am going to stick the spoons on the outer layer. Stick each spoon side by side without leaving any gaps in between. After sticking all the spoons in the outer layer, the final output is like this. So now I am doing the inner circle. For the inner circle also, I am using the hot glue gun and I am sticking one by one. Make sure to stick them without overlapping, otherwise it will be so clumsy. Here I am sticking the spoons in just 2 circles. If you want to make 3 circles, you can make 3 circles as well. But I am sticking just 2 circles and leaving the gap in the center to place the candle. Once it is done, I am turning it upside down and I am going to stick the spoons on the back side of the lotus as well. Following the same process, I am sticking the spoons on the back side of this lotus as well. Here if you can see, I am sticking the spoons in the opposite direction and I am sticking only single layer. Here I got this styrofoam base from the dollar store. This styrofoam base is usually used in flower bouquets. Here in the center, I am going to draw the outline of the PVC pipe with a marker and I am going to cut along the outline. I am using the X-Acto knife and I am cutting this outline. After cutting the entire outline, now here I am going to remove the central part of this. I am not going to discard the central part of this foam because I am going to use this foam and make the base strong enough. Here you can see we got a hollow space in the center, so I am inserting the PVC pipe into this hollow space and I am filling the gaps with this. Tuck this foam and seal it properly so that the base is not moving and it is strong enough. Here I have this circular cardboard pieces and I am going to attach the foam to this cardboard piece with the help of hot glue gun. This way sticking cardboard to the foam helps in forming a strong base for the diya stand. Now here at the base also I am going to make a small lotus flower to give a more attractive look, or else you can leave it as it is. After sticking the spoons, beautiful base of the diya stand is ready. Now all we have to do is just stick this lotus flower to the base. For this also I am using this hot glue gun. After applying the glue, carefully place the lotus flower to the base of this stand. With this, our diya stand is ready. To paint this, here I'm using this metallic spray paint, and this is available at Walmart or even at Amazon. Now to spray this, make sure to wear gloves and mask also. Also, it is advisable to use the spray paints in the outdoor. Here I am using this in the backyard. Make sure to spray paint the entire diya including the foam base, and the output is like this. One important thing to remember here is always make sure to use candles or battery operated candles. So friends, this is the final look of our diya, and these are decorated for Navratri Golu. Try making this DIY lotus brass diyas for festive occasions at home that are very simple and easy, and that can be made in just $5. Hope this video will be helpful to many here. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. This is Rupa signing off for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.